here at Unique Community Care here in Lancaster. There are your steps. And right here we have the elevator. It's an Otis. Otis was Series 5. Okay, that's 2. Second floor. Take it back on the 1. Don't close button works. It's a very basic elevator for a medical office building. It's hospital size too. Nothing real exciting about this. Here are 1. It's your floor indicator. No capacity. There's your right there. Elevator was installed in 2005, and these are your Series 5 buttons. It's not the most exciting elevator, but it runs pretty good. Anyways, there it goes, and that will be it.